How's it going, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is my favorite levels and setups for upcoming week with my game plan on how I'm going to trade them. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. So on SPY here, we have some different levels, so pay close attention to my thoughts here, the way I'm going to handle this. Keep in mind, this is just my trade ideas for the week. So first off, I'm going to zoom in here a little. To the downside, we have a gap fill entry if we lose this 446. I'm looking to possibly get in puts here to catch this huge gap fill to the downside, as you can see right here. Keep in mind, we could come down, bounce a little, then come back down and lose that level, okay? So keep in mind, we could come down and bounce a little before we finally lose that level. Wait on the ask to get below that, okay, before we try to take an entry. Or if you don't like taking an initial breakdown into the gap fill, you can wait on a retest at this level. This is something we don't always get, but definitely a safer entry when we come back up, retest, then continue down. So puts below 446 look good to me. We got room down to 441.3. Don't know if we see that all in one day, but with this crazy, wild market we've been having, it's very possible. My reject level is 443.67. I like this. It is a resistance on the higher time frames, but there's one thing that makes me a little more cautious with this level. This is a gap fill entry as well. So if we break above that, we have room up to 455.49 for a gap fill. Okay. That being said, I will be watching this 453.67 for a possible put entry. It is a solid resistance. I'll be waiting on strong confirmation there. Just keep in mind, if we get above this, it's time to get out. Okay. Here are my SPX levels. I use these to guide my SPY and my ES futures trades, right? Watching all three when I'm trading. They work well together to trade based off, help you guide, even help you find price targets. But basically, don't have a whole lot up until this 4607 area for reject. If we get above this 4540 this coming week, keeping that in mind, that could be the possible reject area we're watching on SPY. Love when these line up. Now, just taking a look at JPM here, this is a small account friendly stock to trade. I like this 155 area for possible reject. Strong resistance. It is a fib as well. I'm watching at 155 for possible put entry. So what I want to see when we get up here, I want to see a momentum loss. I want to see selling volume coming in. And I want to see some signs of price action on the lower time frames on the on the charts. That's what I'm going to be looking for there for a possible reject. If you enter off the touch, okay, if that's part of your plan, you just enter when we touch the levels. Just know your risk. Maybe lighter size. Leave room to add when it confirms for you. Just a thought. NVDA. Now this is the big one to watch this week. We have earnings. It will be expensive to trade if you're trading options because the IV is going to be jacked up, which increases the premium. So basically, I'm just looking for a break above this 502.66 for a possible call entry. We get above that, we do have some room up, and it being earnings week, anything's possible. As far as puts go, I'm not too crazy about puts anywhere on the video right now. That's just my personal thoughts. Everything I see here is like we want to make a new all-time high. When we make a new all-time high, though, I don't hang on for hope. Anytime I take a breakout trade, I trade lighter size. So, if we're looking to break above a key level and not wait on a pullback to enter, I take the initial breakout, I trade lighter. It is earnings, so position accordingly. It could get away from me quickly. If it loses the all-time high, sometimes it can just go straight down. So wait on strong confirmation. By strong confirmation, I want to have level 2 up when I'm trading this, okay? What I want to see on level 2, not only do I want to see the ask above it, I want to see the bids get above it, the bid size increase. I want to see nice buying volume. Honestly, I want to see everything pointing up when I get into this. That's what I'm looking for this breakout trade entry. So calls above 502.66 looks solid to me this week. If we even get up there, we could sell off. But that's all for my watch list. Super simple levels. What's important is to have your game plan ready, know your confirmation to enter trades, and know where you're going to stop out as part of your risk, and know where you're going to stop out as well. And do not move that stop loss, right? That is key to trading. Even if the trade goes against you, it's okay. Losing trades happen. Leave that stop loss where your original plan was. That gives you the proper risk to reward. That's all I have for this video. Hope you all crush it this week, and I'll see you next time.